So today we're going to talk about the two brothers foot pegs for the Honda Grom. And you can see that behind me right here. I have them installed, and I've had them installed for a little while now. And we went with these foot pegs. I talk about myself and my friend Lars, both got them at the same time because we ride a lot of dirt with our Groms. Basically like mini motocross, kind of supermoto style. Getting down and dirty with these things, and we do off-road events. We've done 2 so far, and we plan on doing the Woodsman again. I'm wearing all the gear. It was one of the best times I've had in my life. But anyways, this is a woods race with bikes that aren't supposed to be in the woods. So any little off-road advantage that you can get on your bike is going to be a thing to do. So we did these pegs, and been riding with them for a little while. Like I said, I've done a woods race at the Barber Small Bore with them, and you don't notice them when you're riding. You get a good grip and a good feel, but when you look at them, my initial impression is that they're just too small. And I'm going to show you different views of how my boot interacts with the peg. We wear cowboy boots when we ride. I mean, it's probably stupid, but we wear them here in Florida. We're rednecks, so we wear cowboy boots all the time. And it's what we ride with. It's just easy. They're cheap. Motocross boots are probably what we need to be riding, but we're not that kitted out yet. So they don't really have the grip like a motocross boot does. So the pegs seem a little bit too narrow. It doesn't seem like they stick out far enough for a size 12 foot like mine. And I feel like my foot is kind of hanging over the edge a little bit. The outside of my foot's hanging over the edge. So in my opinion, it's a good peg. It's the only option for the Honda Grom as far as off-road style foot pegs go. There's some stunt style pegs or road racing style, but that's not going to give us our platform and support that we need for the jumps that we do. So I wish they were about 1 inch wider, I'd say, or maybe 3/4 or 1/2 inch wider. And with that, it would give you that full platform. But as far as the only option on the market right now, then they are good. So I give them a thumbs up, only 1 thumbs up really, because I feel they could be improved. They could be better. They're not perfect, but at the same time they're good. So if you ride your Grom off-road, this is a good addition to it. And if you just feel more comfortable with the platform style of peg, on-road or off-road, it's also a good option. So hope you enjoyed the review, and we'll show you a couple of clips of what we do with our Groms to help you understand why we might need these. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe on my picture at the end after the video. I'd appreciate that. Trying to build this channel up. Mostly have monkey content on here, but also have lots of Grom stuff that we do, and we have a lot of fun with it. So once again, thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Good night.
Go.